St. Lucia's Universal Health Coverage Program is expanding once again, with premature babies set to receive free surfactant replacement therapy beginning Saturday, August 1st, 2026. The new service is aimed at giving vulnerable newborns access to life-saving treatment without placing an added financial burden on their families. The expansion follows the launch of maternal and child health services in June 2023, when the Ministry of Health began providing expectant mothers with free laboratory tests and ultrasound services throughout pregnancy. The initiative was introduced to ease the high cost of prenatal care and improve access to essential medical services. Director of St. Lucia's Universal Health Coverage Program, Dr. Alicia Eugene Ford, said the addition of surfactant replacement therapy is the next step in expanding healthcare services under the program.
We know that we have premature babies being born, and these mothers or fathers or parents are asked to purchase the surfactant replacement therapy. One vial is about $2,000, and sometimes a baby will need 1 or 2 vials for them to be able to have lung maturity to live out of the womb, seeing that they were born before the time they're supposed to be born because they're premature.
She explained that the treatment will be available free of charge at the island's 2 main public hospitals, ensuring parents do not have to bear the cost.
We'll be providing surfactant replacement therapy as an expansion of the maternal and child health services under UHC at both Millennium Heights Medical Complex and St. Jude Hospital. So premature babies would have a better chance of survival by getting the surfactant replacement therapy at no cost to the parents.
Surfactant replacement therapy is used to help premature babies whose lungs have not fully developed, allowing them to breathe more easily during the critical first days of life. The Ministry of Health says the expansion forms part of its phased rollout of universal health coverage, with more essential services expected to be introduced as the program continues to grow. I'm Christabel Obi reporting for Hot 7 TV News.